In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an iframe in Elementor. If you're looking to embed external content, such as a YouTube video or a Google Calendar, directly into your website, using an iframe is a simple and effective way to achieve that. Let's dive into the process of embedding an iframe in Elementor to enhance your web page. First, log into your WordPress site and navigate to the page where you'd like to add an iframe. Click on the Edit with Elementor button to open the Elementor editor. This tool is incredibly user-friendly, making it easy to design beautiful pages without touching any code. If you're new to Elementor, don't worry, as it's quite intuitive, and this tutorial will guide you through each step. Once you're in the editor, you need to locate the HTML widget. You'll find it in the left-hand panel with an icon that looks like a closing tag, specifically the symbol. This widget is versatile and allows you to insert custom code snippets into your page. Simply click and drag this HTML widget into your layout, positioning it exactly where you want your iframe content to appear. The beauty of Elementor is that it allows for precise placement, so take a moment to find the perfect spot for your iframe. Now that you've placed the HTML widget on your page, it's time to paste your iframe code inside it. This code is typically provided by the service from which you're embedding content. For instance, if you're embedding a YouTube video, you'll find an Embed option under the Share menu of the video, which provides you with the iframe code. Copy that code and return to your Elementor editor. Click on the HTML widget box you just added, and you'll see a space where you can paste this code. After pasting the iframe code, you might notice that the content isn't fitting perfectly. That's where adjusting the attributes comes into play. You can modify the width and height values to ensure that the embedded content displays correctly on your page. Besides, tweaking other attributes such as frame border and scrolling options can help customize the appearance and behavior of your iframe. A little experimentation here often goes a long way, so feel free to adjust as needed to suit the design of your website. Finally, once you've made all the necessary adjustments and you're satisfied with how things look, it's time to publish or update your page. Click the blue Update button in the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel. This action saves your changes and makes them live on your site for all to see. It's always a good idea to view your page on the front end to ensure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully added an iframe to your page using Elementor. By embedding different types of content, you can enrich your website and offer viewers a more interactive experience. Until next time, happy designing.